the model has answered correctly to the questions about the story of the clockmaker of Amber Street. If you can read the story. It's very interesting. But now I would like to proceed in another document that is more relevant to your work. So, we have a daily schedule for let's say, research and development department. We see at 8 a.m. we have a team arrival and setup, then we have a morning briefing, and so on. So, let's start touching questions. Let's invoke Jacora. I have uploaded the document, and as you can see, have asked at what time is the team arrival and setup, and it correctly has answered at 8 a.m.